I'm going to show you how to hide the ribbon tabs and commands here in Excel. It's really simple to do. Let's say you're in Excel. You go here to the top right. You see this arrow. I'm going to just move my mouse over it. It says ribbon display options. You can click that. And the only thing you have to do, you hit this auto hide so it hides everything. It has the tabs and commands. And to bring that back up, you come right here, click on it, and you can hit show tabs and commands. So say for instance, you just want to just show one or the other. You can come here and hit show tabs. And it says show tabs, ribbon tabs only. Click here. If you click it, you only see the ribbon tabs. Okay, if you want to show everything, come here and click it again, and it will show everything. Okay, that's all to it. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel and visit my website at www.weldingandstuff.net. Thank you.